and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the WH-1000XM5s. I have no idea why Sony makes it so hard to pronounce their products, but in any case, we're here to review it. Before we begin unboxing, I wanted to add a couple things why I wanted to upgrade my headphones and why I chose specifically these headphones. First off, my current over-the-ear headphone situation. These guys are in shambles. Maybe I can replace it, the earbuds, maybe not, but in any case, these have been used for over 6 years now, so I think it's time to upgrade and move on to better things. So thank you. May they rest in peace. Now on to why I specifically chose Sony brand. I already have a relationship with them since I have already their in-ear headphones, which are the, one second, another hard name, WH-1000XM4s. Now I know the XM5s are out already, but it didn't make sense to upgrade since these already do the job. I use them while I'm mowing, great noise canceling while I'm mowing, while I'm working, and of course while I'm working out. Last year I had a battery issue where I'd have them charging all night, but once I would put them in my ear, there was a notification saying battery low, so immediately contacted Sony. Sony immediately sent out a new pair, and I've had no issue since. So just right there, taking care of your customers gave them brownie points. Along with that, all the YouTube videos from those tech gurus, also the articles online, these were always in the top 1 or 2 spots out there. So it only makes sense to choose these over the rest of them, whether it's Bose. So these come in 3 different colors: black, blue, and what they call this silver, even though it looks white to me. As far as high-level tech specs, of course, it's noise canceling headphones, 30-hour battery life, multiple connections so you can interchange between different devices, and apparently a fast charge, 3-minute charge will get you 3 hours or something like that. But if you need more technical specs, I'll put a link down below so that you can check it out there. But overall, everything checked the box for me to make these. This is how it comes. A nice little sleeve. Take that off. Already loose. I kind of fidgeted with it earlier, but here we are. Nice little cardboard box. Very nice and sturdy. Let's put it up here. Inside. Nice little bag. Looks pretty bulky, but still good size, I think. Stuff it in your backpack. You may have to make more room for it. Open it up. Nice zipper situation here. They do look pretty sleek, I'm not gonna lie. They're so light right off the bat. I mean, I went from those bulky, heavy headphones to, I don't know, on the floor, to these are so lightweight. Now, I normally wear glasses because I have a desk job, so I'm always on the computer, and it helps with my eyes, so let's see how it is with glasses. It's still there, and I feel like it's still not able to close fully, but still a lot more comfortable. We'll see how long I'll last with these. With my other pairs, maybe about 3 hours and my ears were already hurting because the glasses were just piercing the sides of my head. But oh, wow, they are super light. We'll have to see how they last. And I feel like they're not gonna come off if I'm like working out or something like that. They're quite comfy, quite light right off the bat. Now inside this little pouch comes the charger, and I guess I have it wired. There you go. Okay, that was it. Minimal charger, wired cable, box, headphones. I mean, a manual too, so no stickers, nothing extra. For the price that these are, I hope they are worth every penny. So we will have to truly test it out, the sound quality. As far as lightness and comfort, it's there. But again, sound quality is the next thing to check out. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to do a little bit more unboxing in the future. Let me know if that's something you're interested in. Also, let me know any ideas, requests, content you'd like to see on the channel. Comment down below. If you haven't already, please click the like and subscribe button. If you want to check out my latest video, please click on the screen here. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.